Bitcoin money is one of those digital currencies that many individuals have known about yet don't actually have the foggiest idea what it is. BCH is still frequently seen as only Bitcoin's side grade and just talked about with regards to examining Bitcoin forks. Be that as it may, it has shown a great deal of commitment and is right now one of the 30 greatest cryptographic forms of money on the planet. Similarly, as with some other cryptographic money, it is difficult to say regardless of whether Bitcoin money will be a wise speculation. However, its high market cap and strong specialized establishment, also as incredible expected ease of use, can assist with keeping its cost above water in the event that the market slumps. Bitcoin Money Survey. Bitcoin Money is a hard fork of Bitcoin. The coin split from the first convention back in 2017 in the midst of rising worries about versatility, slow exchange speed, and high expenses. Moreover, there was a contention in the Bitcoin people group encompassing the genuine reason for the coin, which Satoshi Nakamoto framed similar to a really decentralized distributed computerized installment technique. Numerous members felt like the first Bitcoin didn't address those values any longer. Be that as it may, the Bitcoin money of today isn't the very same coin it was in 2017. BCH itself likewise went through a hard fork. In 2018, it split into Bitcoin ABC and Bitcoin SV. The fork was made in light of the fact that the local area differ on the eventual fate of the digital currency, specifically as to obstruct size. At first, BCH had a block size breaking point of 8 megabytes. This permitted the coin to bring down its charges and increment its exchange throughput. From that point forward, its block size has expanded significantly more and is equivalent to 32 megabytes right now. Notwithstanding the advantages this coin can give, there are many things that stand among BCH in significance. Right off the bat, there's the first Bitcoin. Most financial backers actually pick it over the more in fact progressed Bitcoin money. Besides the fact that BCH neglected similar to a beneficial venture, yet it is likewise not being viewed remotely close as in a serious way as BTC with regards to ordinary use. Numerous commercial centers still just acknowledge BTC as installment, leaving out all the altcoins. We believe the absence of utilization for its expected designs is the second hindrance that obstructs BCH cost development. While, in principle, this coin has a brilliant block limit, which prompts high exchange throughput. Truly, just a little level of BCH is effectively being utilized, under 5%. Bitcoin money value history. Bitcoin money has a somewhat inquisitive cost history. At the hour of composing this video, in February 2022, the coin is worth nearly as much as in 2017. At send-off, the BCH cost was around $440, though presently it's drifting around in the $300-350 territory. Truth be told, what separates BCH from other famous digital currencies like the first Bitcoin or Ethereum is the means by which minimal powerful its cost had throughout the long term. Despite the fact that there were some cost spikes, the worth of Bitcoin money essentially consistently returned to the $300-400 territory. Most other digital currencies that get positioned in the main 30 by market cap normally see their typical costs ascend throughout the span of the years, yet not BCH. From one perspective, that should be visible as something to be thankful for. All things considered, digital currencies are frequently censured for being unpredictable, yet on the other, it brings up a great deal of issues. At any point can BCH break out of this example and hit another most extreme cost as well as increment its typical worth, as well. The truth will come out eventually. Right now, we can call attention to that authentic information shows the general security of this coin and its protection from market declines. At the hour of composing this video, specialized examination of this coin has shown the sell signal, demonstrating that specialists are negative on BCH in the short run. This adjusts impeccably with the wide range of various Bitcoin money expectations we have seen. Not a single one of them anticipate any development for this coin soon. Such consistency across numerous forecasts is fairly persuading. Plus, BCH doesn't appear to be inclined to sharp value spikes and crashes. Bitcoin money value forecast 2022 to 2030. As a famous, deep-rooted digital money with a strong specialized establishment and an extraordinary local area backing it, Bitcoin money does, in principle, can possibly go to the moon again soon. In any case, that will rely on how the digital currency market acts in the following couple of months and how it answers any possible guidelines. On the off chance that all works out positively, and the crypto market keeps on following the direction it laid out for itself in 2017 to 2021. Then, at that point, BCH will have development potential and will be a wise venture. Cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin money, which work with speedy and proficient crypto exchanges, additionally stand to acquire a ton in the event that computerized monetary standards become the standard in ordinary installments. Here is our provisional Bitcoin money figure for 2022 to 2030. Kindly note that this isn't venture exhortation, and make sure to do your own examination prior to trading any cryptographic forms of money. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Bitcoin money costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Bitcoin money will be $99.97. The most extreme level that the BCH cost can reach is $109.86. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $104.87. BCH value figure for November 2022. In light of the value variances of Bitcoin money toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical BCH pace of $102.81 in November 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $93.02 and at $105.75. Separately, December 2022, Bitcoin Money Value Estimate. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the BCH cost in December 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $99.97, while the most extreme could reach $109.86 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Bitcoin money may be around $104.87. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Bitcoin money in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Bitcoin money will be around $146.69. The greatest expected BCH cost might be around $179. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $150.88 in 2023. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Bitcoin money in 2024, BCH is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $208.97 and $254.50. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $215.01. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have dissected the costs of Bitcoin money and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base BCH cost could drop to $309.93, while its most extreme can reach $357.20. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $318.54. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Bitcoin money by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least BCH costs are normal in 2026, $538.23 and $433.57. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $449.50. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2027. Crypto specialists are continually examining the changes of Bitcoin money. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical BCH cost will be around $640.57. It could drop to at least $622.59, yet it actually could reach